welcome again to iPlex Tutorials. My name is Akshit Jhatakya and there is my site iplextechnologies.00webhostapp.com. Please have a visit. And today's our topic is MVC architecture and recycler view. Now these both are very much important topic in Android. So let's get started. What is MVC? So let's see the simple full form of our MVC here. That is model, view and controller. Some people maybe know and some maybe not, so it's no worry, I will explain these both terms. Now what is view? In Android we call the screens of the apps like an activity. So the view in here is an activity, means what the users will see. Okay, the model is nothing but a simple class which have some attributes that will be displayed on that view. And the controller is an logic class that we will see in the implementation in the next video. So let's go to the another slide. Now view, I will take an example of an YouTube. So this is the YouTube home screen. Now see that in home screen there are so much data. There are lists, there is a thumbnail, title, channel names, time and whatsoever. So this is a view. Now what is model? So this is a model class, simple. YouTube has an advanced level of programming, but I am just giving a simple example so that you can understand it well. Now let's see what is a model class. In model class there are two attributes that I have taken. Just forget this all, channel name and time and all. Just think that this is an image and this is a title. So the model class has then two attributes like title and image, and I have made a constructor YouTube. So it will take a title and image and set it, and there are some other logics also, but I have just explained a simple model. So this is a model class. Now what is controller? Controller is an code, means it is a logic which will get the data from the model class and put it on the view. So it is in simple basic explanation that of the MVC architecture. So let's further understand what is it. Now MVC architecture, this is an diagram: controller, model and view. Now see here I have written that handle event. What do you mean by event? So in a YouTube, whenever in the home screen you click on any of the video, that will display and the whole video and their comments and all. So that click is called an event here. So that event will be handled by the controller. Now it will whenever there are lots of data in the YouTube, so the data will be updated I think in a seconds and all. So that updated data will pass through the model also, and that pass through the view also for the user interface. And from the view we can also get the data to the model. Now you will all get confused how we can get data from the view. Means whenever there is a search bar in the YouTube, so whatever you wrote it in there, so that will that what we get data from that, and it will pass on the model. It is just an example. It is not that I am giving you the live. I am just giving you an explanation and an example so that you can understand it well. Now explanation, I will give a very basic explanation so that you can understand it very perfectly. Now this is the adapter file, model file and main activity, right? Adapter will work like a controller, model file will work like a model, means, and main activity is then like a view. Okay, so let's see. It will handle event, it will update the model file, it will also update the view, means our main activity, and from main activity we also get that data, right? Okay, let me explain you this in a very basic example. For example, there is an adapter, means charger, or charger wire, that is USB or whatsoever, and our Android phone, right? So when we want to charge it, we plug that adapter on the plug, then we put the wire on the adapter and we put that wire in our phone. So how this works? So that charger will be as like adapter file, the wire is like model file, and our Android phone is like main activity. Why? Because the 220 volt of current will comes on in the plug in our switchboards, and from that the adapter will convert it into 5 volt, right? Now from that 5 volt it will pass that 5 volt to the wire, and that will be given to the Android phone. Now why do we need that wire? For the smooth flow or the efficient flow of the electricity, we will need that wire. Okay, so let's further. Now the next topic is recycler view. Let's understand first that what is recycler view, and then I will give you the difference between recycler view and the list view. Okay, now first is, it is just like a list view, means there is a list with some dynamic data or static data also. Now make scrolling efficient and smoothly in compared to list view. Why? Okay, recycler view will follow the pure MVC architecture that I have explained. So it will give the data to its view, means to its list, very efficiently and smoothly, so the scrolling will be efficient. Now there are many underdeveloping apps that which uses the list view, and so that when we open the app and we scrolling it, then it got hanged, I think, or the phone got hanged or the app got hanged, and we will have a notify that apps get stopped working and whatsoever. So why is that happened? Sometimes there is an the reason behind it is the list view, and in YouTube, in WhatsApp, that all things will use the are using the recycler view. So to make the scrolling efficient and smoothly, recycler view is very important, and this is the main advantage of the recycler view. Now what's next? Allow to choose the way we want to show the row views. I will explain it to the next slide very smoothly. Okay, so let's just forget that sentence and move to the next. Notify adapter. Okay, when we open the YouTube, the home screen will display us the list of videos. Now is it necessary that when we are seeing that list, no one is uploading their videos? No, many people are uploading their videos. So from this server there are lots of many new videos are coming that are not displayed to us. So how do the YouTube know that, or how do we know that? Okay, that the videos are updated or the list is updated. So that is done by the notify adapter. It is an by default method, or I can say a method of the adapter, that it will notify the YouTube or our app that the list is updated. Please do some function or call that method or anything, right? Okay, now move to the next slide. Please have a look on the third sentence. Allow to choose the way we want to show the row views. I will explain it in here, explanation, right? Now for an example, take a list view. A list view have this is an image view, this is a title, subtitle and all. So this is a list. This is not 3, but there are lots of, but I have to explain in such a condition. So this is a list and this is called row. So whatever I want to show in that row, or what I want to show a custom row, means I want to show in my view, means for example there are 2 images here, right and left, and there is center in, there is a title, there is subtitle. So whatever if we want to show in that particular row, we can show it. So this is the main advantage of the recycler. I will give the example again. YouTube has this is an thumbnail, this is title, this is channel name, this is time, this is option. So this is an row, this is a recycler view, and this is an row. So how to show what to show in that particular row, that can be customized by us. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, iPlex Tutorials. and the next video is the implementation of the MVC and the recycler. Please have a look on that, and thank you so much guys for your help. My website is given below in the description. You can also comment any questions or any topics, or you can also mail me. Thank you so much guys.